Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my Module 1 for EDL 851. A little bit about me. I'm 32 years old. I've been married to my wife Hannah for 4 years, and we have an 18-month-old son named Brooks. I graduated from Kansas State University in 2011 with a degree in elementary education. I am currently working for USD 501, Topeka Public Schools. This is my 8th year teaching. I did 3 years teaching fourth grade and the last 5 years teaching physical education here at State Street Elementary School. Along with teaching, I'm also the defensive coordinator for the football team at Topeka High, and I'm also an assistant coach for the track team. So why do I want to become an administrator? First off, I think it's just the next step in my profession. I've been teaching for 8 years now, and it's time to move on or move up into something more. And the first thing I think I really have interest in is becoming an athletic director and then seeing where it goes from there. Another reason is also because more pay. My family's growing. I have a 1-year-old and another one on the way, and making more money would help us out a lot. And then also becoming a principal or any type of administrator. I feel like that's where you're going to have the most impact on your school and on students, and that's a role that I'd eventually like to move into. So personal experience with supervisory responsibilities. I've been a head coach for football before, and I think that's something, you think about just being in charge of students, but it's a lot more than that. You get to learn a lot about how things run, different rules, all the rules with CASHA and things like that. Along with that, you're dealing with lots of parents, teachers, assistant coaches, and also as students. So I feel like the head football, head wrestling, and assistant track roles have really helped me gain a lot of experience in being a leader with students and with other adults involved, and also with the parents. And then I've also been in charge of music and PE nights that are at my school. And then I've also done some district PD for our PE department. We meet once a month and we come up with different things to do, and I've had the chance to present a little bit of a few of those. And then personal experiences with past evaluations conducted on me. So far all of my evaluations have always been positive, though, have always been led really positive, but there's always been a few things where my evaluator has given me something constructive to do, and we've always set goals related to those. And the next time that we meet or follow up, we go over these and see how it's going, see if I improved on them, and things like that. So far, all my evaluations have been really, really good. They've been very positive and very constructive. And I'm also pretty hard on myself when I go in these evaluations, and sometimes they are saying, oh no, I think you do a really good job at this, or they give me an example of something that I do that covers something that I didn't think I really covered that well. And so sometimes, it's also a confidence builder and makes you feel really good about yourself when I've left some of those evaluations. And then, like I said before, they kind of always give me something constructive that they think could help me. But it's always been positive. I've always kind of enjoyed them. And that's about it. And that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.